Scots. I'm Eliana Burkes.
And I'm Tessa Agerton. Welcome back to another episode of Scots Weekly.
We're coming to you from the brand new KHSD Eastside Aquatic Center.
That's right, KHSD has opened a brand new pool that will host several water polo and swim events.
And today is extra special. Our Scots water polo team makes history with their first game against BCHS.
The match kicks off at 5 p.m., so come out after school, cheer them on. You won't want to miss out.
Now let's dive into some school announcements. First up, AP students, have you registered in your AP exams yet?
The deadline is coming up fast. October 24th will be here before you know it.
You can make your payment online or at the finance office.
Don't wait until the last minute. Skip the long lines and take care of it today.
Scots, Homecoming 2025 is right around the corner.
Snag your homecoming shirt for just $20 at the finance office. Get yours before they're gone.
You won't want to miss it.
Stay connected and follow ASB on Instagram at HHS Scots for all the latest homecoming updates.
Plus, make sure Dress Up Week is next week.
Finally, put the phones down and stop asking to go to the restroom every period.
It's time to lock in Scots. Quarter one is wrapping up very soon.
If you need extra help, head to the after-school tutoring in the library.
And don't forget, you can also use tutoring.com anytime from home.
Remember, Scots, finish strong and stay on top of your grades.
All right, we'll be back. We're going to a quick break.
Stay tuned for more Scots Weekly.
Hey, what you doing?
I'm playing Silly Brain Route.
Oh yeah, are you getting anything good or?
No, not yet. He hasn't spawned nothing good.
Hey, we gotta get to class.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, the bell just rang.
Okay.
Hey man, what you doing, bro? We gotta go to. Hey, bro, you spawning good stuff, bro. Nah, bro, you don't ever spawn. Hey, what's up? Hey, what you doing? What's up? Yeah, bro, we should go play. Come on, bro. We're already late to class. Come on, we gotta go. Yeah, he's right. I might play another day. Hey, yeah, get to class too. Hey, bro, let's go. Yo, bro, we barely made it on time. You think so?
Hey guys, you guys just barely made it on time. Go take a seat.
All right.
I'm about to start the lesson. Remember, Scots, always show up on time.
Welcome back, Scots.
Now let's pass it over to Jesus. Take it away.
What's going on, Scots? Welcome back to Party in the Projects. I'm here with
Stephanie.
And Stephanie, what does plaid mean to you at Highland?
It means being kind and respectful to others. Being the type of person people can look up to.
Being honest and kind to your peers.
Being the best you can be.
And how do you show plaid around school?
I respect the campus.
Being honest towards yourself and others.
Being respectful to those around you.
By being involved in campus activities.
How do you show respect to others around Highland?
By always being kind to everyone.
By being quiet when others are talking.
Thanks for that video, Jesus.
Now let's kick it over to our sports crew and check out what's happening around Highland.
Yo, Scots, it's Frankie Barra, SCOT, Scotsman Stand Up. And we're back again with the sports announcements.
What's up, Scots? It's time and we're back with the best sports on Scots Weekly. If you are interested in playing boys basketball this year, please see Coach Valdez in Portable 14D, Coach Vizcarra in Room 4H, and Coach Ware in Room 4P.
Tryouts begin October 30th for non-fall athletes. If you want to try out, you must be there this October.
Let's dive right into it. This Friday and Saturday, our girls water polo has a tournament at Justin Darza. Be there and plaid up.
Now let's go with Tiffany, who has some interviews lined up for us.
Hi guys, I'm Tiffany Torres and today I'm interviewing the water polo team. Who am I here with today?
Nando.
Nice to meet you. So how long have you been playing water polo?
About 4 years now.
Wow, that's amazing. So what position do you play?
One or point, which is 3.
Okay, and if you could describe your team in one word, what would it be?
Friendly.
Friendly?
Very friendly.
Why friendly?
Well, we don't really want to pick fights with anyone in the water and play dirty, so we just want to play just friendly.
Have fun?
Yeah.
Thank you. Who am I here with today?
Emma.
And how long have you been playing water polo?
I've been playing water polo for 2 years now.
That's nice. And what's been one of your biggest challenges?
My biggest challenges was trying to adjust to this new team and learning all of the different plays this year.
Yeah, I understand that. And what's one word you would describe your team?
I would describe this team as dedicated.
And why dedicated?
Because we're all dedicated to this sport and we all love being with each other. So
that's nice. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
Who am I here with today?
I'm Lincoln Bunting.
Nice to meet you. And what position do you play in water polo?
I'm a driver.
That's nice. And how long have you been playing?
This is my 2nd year.
Okay. And if you could describe your team in one word, what would it be?
I would say we're united.
And why is that?
We're a smaller team. Like, we don't even have a frosh off, and so like we've been together for the last 2 years, and it's pretty much the same group.
That's nice. Thank you for sharing.
Yeah.
Who am I here with?
Sophia Cisneros.
How long have you been playing water polo?
I've been playing since my freshman year, so this is my 4th year.
Wow. And you're a senior?
Yeah.
What's your position?
I play set.
Okay. And if you could describe your team in one word, what would it be?
I would say supportive because we're all like connected and we all support each other a lot.
Also, Scots, our cross-country team has a meet at Sierra Pacific, a Golden Bear Invitational. It's this Friday, October 3rd. Good luck, everybody.
Let's go. Yeah.
Scots, don't move a muscle. We've got more coming your way.
Stick around. We'll be right back after this short break.
Hey Scots, I'm Jordan.
And I'm Emily. College application Mondays are here.
From October 6th through December 1st, stop by the Career Center in room 2A every Monday from 3 to 4 p.m. You can get help filling out your college applications, PIQs, and even FAFSA.
Whether you're applying to the UC system, CSU, Bakersfield College, Taft College, or using the Common App, this is your chance to get support and stay on top of deadlines.
Don't miss it, Scots. Your future starts now.
We're the plus team.
That stands for Peer Leaders Uniting Students and Patty.
I'm Ness. I'm Matthew.
I'm Aslin.
I'm Manat. I'm Reagan.
I'm Blanca. We're all about giving students a voice.
In a role in making school a better place. And plus, we work together to build a safe
And welcoming school where everyone feels included.
As part of our program, we look at real challenges that affect how people feel at school.
And create ideas and solutions to make things better for everyone.
We do this through surveys and forums that you may be invited to participate in.
We look forward to hearing from you.
That's all we got for today's Scots Weekly.
Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, the water polo teams have their big game today at 5 p.m. against BCHS.
Come out after school, support the team, and we'll be back with more news, updates, and Scots spirit.
And also don't forget, travel your way into next week. And always remember to plaid up!